The KFC Melts. Tasty original recipe chicken, fresh tomatoes, crunchy nachos, tangy barbecue mayo, melted mozzarella cheese wrapped in a toasted tortilla. Finger-licking goodness in every bite. The KFC Melts.
Para makalinis, gamit ko. Ito. Ay, ito pa. Sa dami. Diyos ko, mahal. Buti na lang, may Ariel. 5-in-1 ito.
Walang dagdag gastos sa dagdag flowers sa Ariel. Save up to 50 pesos.
Pag maganang kumain, siksik!
Sarap yakapin! Katagigil!
Salamat sa Children's Crucible, ang Abrigana Syrup. Tumutulong pagbukas ng gana. Pag gana eat, gana bisiksik.
Tonight will be special. Feels good to be with my kids, and I can't wait to surprise Jane. These oysters will keep me going all night.
Charge up with new Cervix with zinc. Cervix has the power of zinc found in 8 oysters that helps strengthen immunity and improve sexual potency.
Table for 2, madame? Dessert later.
Cervix multivitamins with zinc. Charge up your performance.
Best oranges are full of life. Now see it, feel it, taste it in new Minute Maid Pulpy Orange with real pulp bits. All the happy, healthy, natural pulpy goodness of oranges captured in every bottle. Shake it and see the difference. New Minute Maid Pulpy Orange. Love the pulp.
Red Ribbon dessert. Wow. Now, with Red Ribbon cake slices and rolls, there's no end to mouth-watering desserts day after day. Make every day more beautiful with Red Ribbon.
Ang akala mong parehas, di pala magkatimbang. Bagong Surf Super Sulit, 5 pesos lang. Dobleng bigat. Dobleng nalilinis.
Coolness is in the air. Dala ng coolest mula sa Johnson's Baby. Ang Johnson's Baby Cooling Powder for cooling freshness.
To look good and feel good, have a
And good nutrition with Ensure Everyday. Ensure has a unique heart-healthy nutrition system, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Ensure your health.
ensure your heart.
My lunch, I eat 1 gram of cheese. I have a strip of chicken that's 1 centimeter thin.
Me, I eat an imaginary grape.
To all women who sacrifice in order to stay slim, here's something delicious you can actually eat. New Lucky Me No-Cook Sotanghon Light. Finally, you can enjoy something that's cholesterol-free, low-fat, and certified Napa. New Lucky Me Sotanghon Light for a light you. Also in ready-to-go bowls.
Sobrang smooth. Gumastos yan ng malaki for a hot oil treatment.
Not really. She uses Rejoice with Hot Oil Essence. For hot oil smooth hair with just a 4 peso sachet.
You know, water is good, but for me, there's something better, you know, Vit Water.
Vit Water is a refreshing way to drink your daily vitamins. It helps keep you strong and healthy.
Now you know.
Vit Water, your refreshing daily vitamin drink.
Try one now.
Yan ang flat screen TV na super mura.
Mas panalong magtipid sa Pizza Hut. Dahil may Super Panalo Meals. 99 pesos lang, may bago pang pagpipilian.
Super sulit, no?
Yo! Bata! Sali ka na sa Trobang Panalo! Tintang katibay ng Growy ito! Bakit tong katibay? Kulang naman kung walang tibay! Lakas sa katawan, dapat i-supply! Tutuloy ang Growy! Bata katibay! May karalagang pagkatay, maximum height, and vitamin D for strength and stability! Tuloy mo ang Growy! Bata katibay! Tuloy mo ang Growy! Bata katibay! Tong katibay ka ba? Mag-Growy na! Unilab yan!
Ang bawat bata sa ating mundo ay may pangalan, may karapatan. Hayaan mong maglaro ang bata sa alam.
Dahil karapatan ng bawat bata, maging buo ang kalusugan, handog sa bawat batang Pinoy. ang new improved Alactagro. Tulungan mo ang anak mo kayanin anuman ang gustuhin. New improved all-around Alactagro. Breast milk is the best for babies up to 2 years of age and beyond.
I needed a better pain reliever, kaya Advil na ang gamit ko ngayon. When it comes to tough pain, science has proven that one Advil works better than even 2 paracetamols. Kaya switch na rin kayo to Advil, the advanced medicine for pain.
Bili tayo energy drink.
Ito, may baon ako.
Extra Diyos, kargado ng 7 B-vitamins, taurine at ginseng. Purong lakas. Ekstrang lakas para sa anumang hamon ng buhay. May Extra Diyos tayong laging dala.
Handa na ako. Handa ka na ba?
Extra Diyos, maging handa.
Ang pressure sa sinuses, lumala na, baradong sinuses yan. May headache, facial kirot, sipon. Mag-Sinotab. Tanggal ang pressure, bilis ginawa. Sa baradong sinuses, dun ka sa eksperto.